Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Plasticity. Well, today we're going to model a simple light switch, right? It's a nice practice model and hopefully it will help you to progress, right? So we're going to select this guy, we're going to hit X to get rid of it, then we're going to jump to our top view, we're going to grab a rectangle, a center rectangle, click on the center, hold down Shift while you're pulling that out. Let me get some space here. All right, so hold on Shift. Let's make it square. This looks good. Select that. All right. Next up, we're going to go to face mode. We're going to select it. We're going to give it some thickness, nothing crazy. Then we're going to go to edge mode, and we're going to select the top edges, and we're going to fillet them. And let's round it over. So we're going to go this way, and that looks about right. Okay, jump to perspective mode to have a look. Yeah, fine. Okay, back to orthographic. All right, so now we have that, we're going to jump to our top view, and what I'm going to do is create an opening for the first button, right? So I'm going to grab a rectangle, and we're going to go on the origin initially, and we're going to grab that out to about there. Then I'm going to hit G to move it, and we're going to move it over from the midline. Okay, we're going to click on OK. So we got this guy, and next what I want to do is go in here and hit G to raise that up. Then I want to click on OK. I want to grab the face, and we're going to extrude that down. So we got something looking like this. That's fine. Then we're going to go and grab the corner edges. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I want them rounded like this. And I also want to have the top. So let's hide that rectangle for a second. All right. So we're going to go in here and we're going to grab these and round that over as well. That looks okay. All right, this guy looks okay. Now I want to mirror it over so we can create the holes together, right? So with this guy selected, I'm going to make sure that I have a line in the middle. So let's jump to our top view. Let's grab a line. Let's go from here to here, right click. Then we're going to go in object mode. We're going to drag select this guy, and we're going to go to mirror. There you go. We're going to click right here. So now we've got one on each side. We're going to click on OK to accept that. Then we're going to take these two. We're going to hit G. We're going to move them down till they are nested inside that surface, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on OK, and we're going to click on this guy, and this guy, and we're going to hit Q, and then we're going to go and hit slice. Yeah. Right. Now we're going to take this guy, and be careful now because we've got these two. We're going to hit G to raise that up. So we got our buttons, but we also have cuts in the surface with objects in the surface. So this guy and this guy. And we're going to hit X to get rid of those. This is what we want, right? Okay, so we're going to go in here, and then we're going to take these and these. And we're going to chamfer these, okay? Then we're going to go back to object mode. We're going to click on OK. We'll click this. We'll click this. We're going to hit G to move them down. And I got too much selected, looks like. Let me try that again. G. Push that down. And I want to give it some more thickness, right? So we're going to jump to this level here, and I'm going to hit S to scale it down. Down, yeah, like this. Give it a bit more height, right? Then we're going to hit G, and we're going to position them in the holes. and we should get something looking like this. Now we can raise it a little bit. That looks okay to me. And then what we can do is go to object mode. Let's click on OK. Grab one of them, this guy, jump to this view, and we're going to rotate. To about there. Okay. Then we're going to go and flip it around, and we'll take this guy again in object mode. Jump to this view. Hit R to rotate. That looks fine. Click on OK one more time. So these, they're actually in the same position right now because I flipped it over. That's not good. So we're gonna go the other way. That looks all right. Good. Next, we need to create some screw holes. So we're gonna jump to our top view. We're gonna click. We're gonna go and create it here first. Make it nice and small. Then we are going to hit G to move it. Get it pretty close. Let's say here. Click on OK. Then we still have our line in the middle, so we're gonna go and mirror this. We're going to jump over, so now it's on that side. Click on OK. And now that we have these two holes, we're going to go to face mode, and we're going to select 1 and 2, and we're going to push them through. All right. Click on OK. Select this guy in object mode. Object, select, hit Q and difference, and we're going to click on OK. Then we're going to go and hide the line, hide the circle, hide the curve. We're going to go to edge mode, select 1, select 2. Let's round that over. Actually, let's chamfer that like this, just a tiny chamfer. And we're going to click on OK. And we're going to go to perspective mode. We're going to turn off the X-ray. And now what we can do next is create some screws, right? So we're going to create a sphere. And we're going to jump to our top view. And let's go in here and create that. Click on OK. Let's have a close look. That looks fine. Then we're going to go and squish it. So we're going to hit S to scale. Flatten that out. G to raise it up. That looks fine. Jump into this view right here. Grab a line. Run it over the center. Like this. Right click. Click on C to cut. Click your object. Go to object mode. Click on the bottom, delete that, select the line, delete that as well. Now we need to create an opening for the, what's it called, for the screwdriver to fit in, the slot or whatever you want to call it. And for that we'll take a rectangle, or a square, a rectangle, yeah, that's right. We'll grab it in here. That looks fine. All right, let's hit G to move that up. We're going to go to face mode. Click on OK first. Go to face mode. We're going to pull that down. Let's have a look whether we're far enough. Yeah, we don't want to go all the way through. All right, now we're going to select this guy, shift like this guy, hit Q, click on OK. So we got our screw. We're going to go to object mode, and we're going to push that down. And of course we want one on the other side. So first of all, we're going to rotate this guy a little bit because we don't want it to look too staged. Let's flip that over, something like this. With this guy selected, and what's wrong with my 3D mouse? Nothing. With that guy selected, we're going to go and get our line. So we have something to reference to. We're going to go and mirror this guy. Mirror, move it over there, click on OK. Then we're going to grab this guy. We're going to hit R to rotate, so it's not in the same position. Maybe something like this, right? So there you go. There's a very simple light switch. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one, right? Thanks for watching. Bye.